Take command of the road in the 2017 Ford Edge. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.